Mismong si Pangulong Marcos nagulat sa biglaang pagsiklab ng gulo. Nag-warning shot na ang Pilipinas. Base sa balitang kumakalat, muntik nang sumiklab ang gulo sa pagitan ng China at Pilipinas matapos muntikang ibagsak ang bombang ikinarga sana ng Pilipinas. Ayon sa BRP Ramon Alcaraz, umaaligid ang mga Chino sa pagsasanay ng US at Pilipinas kung saan sa gitna ng formation ng Pinas, biglang sumulpot dalawang barko ng Chino na pilitang iradyo ng BRP Alcaraz. Kaya ikinarga ng Pinas pampasabog sa BRP Gregorio at BRP Antonio Luna.
China Warship 174, this is Philippine Navy Warship 16. In accordance with international and Philippine national laws, you are within Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone. You are not responding. Your refusal to respond will be reported to concerned authorities. Over.
Dali-dali namang kumontak ang Amerikano sa Philippine Navy para sabihin parang hindi na ito pagsasanay dahil may dalawang barko ng People's Liberation Army. Hindi naman nagpakita ang mga Pilipinong marino ng kahinaan dahil mabilis silang umalerto at sinabing handa sa posibleng bakbakan. Total nandun naman na mga Amerikano na handa tayong ipaglaban, kaya malaking sampal sa mga Chino na handa ang mga Pilipinong makipaglaban.
As a member of the Armed Forces of the Philippines and of course of the Philippine Navy, we follow certain policies and guidelines. We call this as the rules of engagement. So this is our Bible in ensuring that in the event of disruptive, at the same time dangerous maneuvers from any other countries, will be obliged to follow this one. The RP-US joint exercise wants to ensure seamless integration of capabilities, at the same time testing our techniques, tactics, and procedures on how to go about and address evolving threats and challenges. We've conducted series of activities. Number one, the comms check, communication check, wherein we primarily want to ensure connectivity and command and control of participating forces both from the Philippines and as well as from the US in the maritime domain, and also as well other threats, both traditional and non-traditional threats.
Ngayon ikaw bilang Pilipino, ano ang masasabi mo at reaksyon sa balitang ito? Mag-iwan ka ng komento sa ibaba at atin pong babasahin isa-isa.